My wife loves gnomes and Christmas greenery, so I decided to combine the two and make her a wreath. I started with a tinsel hat from Dollar Tree, from which I removed the Merry Christmas and the holly sprig. This step wasn't necessary, but I like a clean slate. Next, I gathered a bunch of Christmas picks from my wife's stash. Don't worry, she won't notice. She's been collecting Christmas greenery from craft stores and dollar stores since September, and I'm pretty sure even she couldn't tell you what she has and how many. I arranged the picks in a gnomish manner, layering them to best show their colors. Then I flipped the hat over and zip-tied the picks onto the hat frame in reverse order. You can use whatever Christmas greens you'd like for this gnome wreath, but I think that it looks best with a mix of colors, shades, and textures. In addition to the greens, red berries, and brown pine cones, I used 2 picks from Target with little blue juniper berries that I think look fantastic. There is no right or wrong with this wreath. Here's another arrangement with pine needle picks. I used a Dollar Tree Sherpa throw for the hat material, but don't worry, the rest of that blanket will be used in future Christmas projects. I cut a piece a little larger than the tinsel hat and then hot glued the blanket onto the brim. Then I flipped the wreath over and glued both sides to the hat frame, and then glued the blanket over itself in the center. I wrapped a small rubber band around the top of the hat and then gathered the excess material into a ball and hot glued it into a pom-pom. I used a split wood ball as the gnome's nose and glued it right onto the greens, and then I hung the wreath on our front door. My wife loves her new gnome wreath, and I've now increased my gnomon empire by 1. Every year my gnome army grows, and this Christmas season it will grow even bigger. I'm not exactly sure what my army is good for besides making my wife smile, but hey, that's a war worth fighting. Follow us for more fun and easy holiday crafts and DIYs.